Hello, friends. So, we are talking about cancer, its implications in our daily life, and how do we go about treating it. So, whenever I go across the diaspora, the obvious question is, can the cancer be cured? Well, for this, I can keep on talking for hours and hours and hours. But let us come to the basic issue. All cancers are treatable. All cancers are curable to a certain extent. Now, when I say to a certain extent, there is a thing which is known as the stages of cancer, in which you have stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4. The higher the stage of the cancer, the lesser are the chances of cure. Now, how does it translate into practice? In real time practice, any problem, for example, if a person has cough and the person has gone to a normal practitioner and that practitioner has given medications. After 1 or 2 weeks of taking the standard medication, you find that your cough is getting exaggerated. The cough is not getting cured. So at that point of time, we should take the extra step and go to a specialist, because there might be a high index of suspicion that apart from the standard problem, is there anything else which is being missed? Why is it that I am not getting cured? So whenever you have any problem in the body, say like any sore which is not healing, cough which is there, or any fever which is not settling down, any lumps or bumps in the body which are slowly growing or becoming bigger in size, despite these standard treatments, again and again I will emphasize that when you take standard treatments for the common ailments over a period of 4 to 6 weeks and still you don't get the desired results, this is the situation when one should take the extra step. Again, why should we take this extra step? That God forbid in that individual cancer is found, or cancer is found on the biopsy. These are the persons in which we can catch the cancers at an early stage. So it is a chain of events. It is not just one stop shop. You have a problem, you go to the physician, you take the standard treatment, you find that you are cured, fair enough. Situation 2, you have a problem, you go to the physician, you take the treatment, take it for 4 weeks, still you find that there is no avail. Switch gears, go to a specialist, get yourself thoroughly checked. And if God forbid you find that there is a cancer in your body and it is of a low stage, that is stage 1 or stage 2, because the earlier you catch it, the better it is, then in that situation, we are gunning for cure, nothing short of it. So stage 1 and stage 2, if the cancer is caught early, majority of times I can assure you that we can cure these patients. Stage 3 patients where it is a loco-regional disease, well, about 50 to 60% may still get cured. Unfortunately, in the last stage, which is stage 4 disease, in which you are looking at good quality of life, control of the disease, still you can make a lot of difference in these patients. So wherever there is a problem which is not settling with the conventional treatment, there should be a very high index of suspicion, and we should not leave it to chance, or we should not go to any other non-qualified medical or non-medical armamentariums. We should pursue it to the last and find the cause, and then energetically treat it and get the benefits. Thank you.